Hi everybody, and welcome to True Want Store. Here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's important on the YouTube platform, so that's where you guys come in. When you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge platform. So I'm thanking in advance for the support of that thumbs up. Okay, this is a video that I decided I'm gonna make because we had such a fantastic month, the month of March. And a lot of my boxes, I was very lucky, came earlier in the month, and I was able to get a lot of stuff done and planned, and there were so much information and so many boxes this month, and so many extra special boxes like the Whole Foods that happens in March, and the ULTA 21 days, and there was just so much information in the month of March. And we also had a fantastic giveaway with that second bag that my brother so generously went to Whole Foods early in the morning to pick up those bags, and then he was also able to pick up that third one that we were able to have another duplicate, so I was able to have the giveaway in reference to that bag as well. So like I said, March has been a month that is absolutely crazy. On Instagram, if you're not following me there, I really hope that you do. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. And what we do at the end of the month is we build the tower of all the purchases, all the beautiful PR if I've received that month, or purchases that I've made, or deals that I've gotten, and we build a tower. And after that, we open up everything on my huge bathroom floor, and we open up every single box so you guys can see how much happens during the month. And then I do a final video where I literally put everything into sections like skincare, makeup, giveaways, donations, gifts for family, whatever it is, it gets all laid out. And then I take a final picture, and then I take my organization and I do if I have to try certain products and so on and so forth. So it's a lot that happens within the month, but at the end of the month, it's really, really a lot. But I also noticed during the month, I was doing a lot of I already have that. That's going to go in the a gift for later, and that's going to go into a gift for later. And I had so much of that this month that I decided I'm going to, and if you've been watching me all month, you know what's going in this box, is I'm going to build another box that is going to be filled with all those duplicates that I received this month. So this is a giveaway video. This is what this video is all about. So what has been amazing is that not only has this channel been growing, it's been growing so nicely. We're just over 2 years old, and this channel started because I wasn't on social media. I wasn't living in the USA. I wasn't getting subscription boxes, and this channel has grown because the boxes have grown. When I started, IPSY had 1 bag and Boxycharm had 1 box, and as their everything grew, and now even IPSY owns Boxy, like so much has changed that there's a lot that I get in a month, and it's everything that has been so exciting for me, because to have access to these type of products at these type of prices, and also to have a channel to be able to share the information and help others make decisions, it just makes this so fantastic, because having a channel is a lot of work, and it's not always it isn't monetarily, it is not there, but there's the reason that I started a channel wasn't for those reasons. So for me, it was always about sharing. It was about getting the information, finding out the information, and then sharing the information, because when I was looking on YouTube for that, I wasn't finding that. I was finding people that were getting boxes or sharing their boxes or their purchases. At that time it was hauls and all that type of stuff, but I wasn't getting the information that I needed to help me make those decisions if I wanted that product, if I wanted to spend my dollars on that product. Getting subscription boxes has made it so much easier, because we get so many brands and we have access to be able to try so much, but that becomes overwhelming as well, because when so many boxes start coming in, you really don't have the time to sit back and really enjoy it. And you're kind of almost making a first impressions every time you open up or play with some products. So like if I had to pack for a trip now, I really don't know what I would take, where before I always had a separate bag that had duplicates of my favorite items. And that was always on a bag ready to go because I traveled a lot. So for me, everything changed. And so when we moved here to the US, I knew my life was going to change and everything was going to turn around. But you know, with you know, the lockdowns and the world changing, that even changed everything even more. So I had more time to be able to play and to try and to do stuff like that. So now when I get duplicates, it's not for me to be able to say, okay, that's an item that I can put in the travel bag, or that is, because I always used to buy in twos. That was just my world, because I had a home in the US and I had a home in Canada and I had a travel bag. So there was always, you know, whenever I fell in love with something, I was buying it in multiples. So that's how I purchase, that's my world, that's who I am. But when we're getting duplicates of items that a lot of times I might get a third of or something like that, that's when I start building a basket. And then when we hit certain thresholds or achievements or whatever you want to call it, when the subscriber number becomes higher, or I start getting more views or more thumbs up, or whatever it is that I'm seeing is creating this channel to grow, I then start putting stuff away to be able to do these type of giveaways. But this month ended up being something really special because we already had a giveaway in the month of March that we're having with that second bag that we purchased to be able to give away for the Whole Foods. But because there was so much duplication in the month of March, I wanted to, and I started to see that my basket of, you know, for the achievements versus what was going to be happening, you know, with the duplicates, it was starting to become neck and neck. So I said, you know what? I'll continue that other basket, but I'm going to do a giveaway in reference to the duplicates of everything in the month of March. So that is what this video is. So my giveaways are very simple. And the instructions and everything are going to be in the description box down below. Make sure you read through all of them because it's a lot of extra work when a channel does a giveaway, and it's become even more so because supposedly a lot of other people are trying to, who aren't part of the channel, trying to benefit and take advantage of subscribers when there's a giveaway. So I'm going to try to make this as clear as possible through the description box down below. All the rules and regulations are going to be there. What I do differently on my channel is, and I've seen a lot of girls say, you know, there's secret words, or you have 48 hours. If you don't get back to me, it goes to the next person. I haven't had to do any of that in any of my giveaways. I work very hard to be able to set up the giveaways so that when the person gets picked, we then contact you through Instagram direct. We tell you first here in the comments down below that you're the winner. We then do a second through Instagram. That's why it's important that you follow me on Instagram with the name True Wants with the number 2. I then contact you there through the direct message. So everything is private. And then we finalize everything in an email that goes back and forth. And then we're able to share personal addresses and things like that through the privacy of email. So I try to do it every which way, and my giveaways have been fantastic. Everybody that I have contacted literally within hours have contacted me back, and we literally are able to send you the tracking information and everything via email, and it gets to you really, really quickly. So my brother's very much good at packaging things for me, and you saw how generous he was in reference to going early in the morning to Whole Foods to help. So he's very supportive of the channel, but this is a lot of work and it does take me away from a lot of stuff that I do. So like I said, there's only so many hours in the day, but if I'm able to give back, I want to also give back to him. And with him, what I mean is Improving Lifestyles, which is the business that I have with him. And he's been very generous when we had our True Wants bags to be able to put the bags through, you know, the website and things like that. So please make sure you also follow him on Improving Lifestyles on Instagram. So like I said, all the information will be in the description box down below. It is open for the US only. Majority, when I checked my statistics, majority of you are from the US. I do have a few Canadians that are out there, and I appreciate you guys so much. But as you know, being a Canadian, and I understand going through customs and all that, there's so many extra charges. I don't want that to happen right now. So until that all changes and everything, right now it is US only. And as if you've been watching my channel, you will know what is going to be in this box. However, if you didn't, then you're going to get a mystery box if you just found my channel, because it is a giveaway. But I really hope that you stay with me and you grow with me and you keep this channel growing, because as we grow, we're able to do things like this, and that just makes it a lot more fun when it's the names that get pulled are ones that I've had communication with, because as I tell you all the time, the comments down below is my lifeline to you guys. So I want to thank everyone who always takes the time to write a comment. And even if you're watching it on TV or you're listening to me, at the end of the day, you'll come back and say, I watched you on TV, but I wanted to leave you a comment, because you know the comments are really, really important for the growth of a channel as well. But more importantly for me, it's my communication with you guys. All right. So like I said, all the information will be down below in reference to the giveaway. Please follow it all the way through. If your account isn't public, I have exactly how you can make it public. I also have all in there that if your comment doesn't show up, which is another thing that happens on Instagram, that when you leave your, sorry, not on Instagram, on YouTube, when you leave your Instagram name with that A in front of it, it doesn't show your comment, because if you do not get a response from me, it means that I never saw your comment. And you can always go out and come back in and see if your comment stuck. But I will do my best that when you reach out to me on Instagram, because that's part of it, that during this picture where it says giveaway, that you leave your YouTube name, and then I'm able to match up your YouTube name with your Instagram name. And by doing that, I'm able to then contact you through Instagram to say your comment did not show up. And then we're able to make sure that it does, so that you can be picked, because we pick through the YouTube comments. So I want to make sure that everybody, you know, has equal opportunity. I work very hard to make sure that everybody has access to be able to win. And I make sure that if your name isn't showing up or you're not public, to help you along to make sure that happens. And then, like I said, there's no, you know, time limit of, you know, when I contact you. Like I said, I've been very lucky. Everybody has, you know, taken their gifts and contacted me back right away. And we really turned it around within days of the giveaways, which is absolutely fantastic. So please make sure you check the comments down below, but it's really simple. It's USA. Your account needs to be public. You have to leave in the comments that you want to be entered, because if not, just, I appreciate so much the comments where you say, you know, also, you know, just here to say hi, watched, you know, like spending time with you, but I do not want to be entered in the giveaway. That's fine too, because I do that a lot on other people's, you know, channels as well. So I want to make sure that I don't lose out on you commenting. So I want to make sure to know that if you were here, I like that you say hi and that you comment. So public, USA, leaving a comment that says you want to be entered, and that your Instagram name is within the comment without the @ just your Instagram name. And then that you're also following True Wants 2 on Instagram, as well as Improving Lifestyles. And that's it. So like I said, all the information will be in the description box down below. Make sure that you read it. I will do my best. Like I said, it's a lot of extra work when the comment doesn't show up and I have to comment to you, and then we try to make it work. But if I'm taking the time to do a giveaway, I want to make sure that everybody has the opportunity to win and be able to be entered. All right. That's it for today, guys. Just wanted to share all that. I've got some unboxing that I'm going to be doing right here on the table. Some boxes arrived, but I wanted to make sure that I did this video first so that I have it, and then I'll be able to post it, and we'll be able to have a lot of fun with this giveaway. Like I said, this is almost a bonus giveaway that happened this month. So I always share with you when it's going to close and things like that. All of that is in the description box down below as well. Once again, thank you to everybody for the growth of this channel. Thank you to everyone who takes the time to thumbs up and leave comments, as well as thank you to so many of you who have shared my channel on your channels. And when I have the opportunity, you know, I don't have as much time as I would love to watch so many of you, but when I'm, you know, uploading and I'm already in YouTube and I see whose, you know, videos just popped in, those are the ones I, you know, start to watch so that I could try to catch up on a few of you also. And a lot of you had shared my channel on yours, and I cannot thank you enough for that as well, that you're enjoying my channel so much that you want other people that are watching your channels that you tell them. And to the people who don't have channels and you share about my channel in the comments to other channels, I read those as well. So I want to thank everybody. I cannot tell you how appreciative I am. And that's why when I'm able to do giveaways like this, it is just extra special. All right. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well. And I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Good luck to everybody who wants to enter. Bye for now.